It's been an honor and privilege to be invited diri sa Baristas Quest. So this is like a contest sa mga baristas all over the Philippines. So I'll show you the place later. You're watching the practice. No. So by the way, this is a contest for Baristas Quest. So diri siya sa ano siya sa Tightrope Cafe. So near paano siya Castle Peak. So they're practicing now. This is a contest. So daghan po siya contenders for this contest sa mga barista. Guys, the competition is already started. So pila sila ka contenders? 16. So 16 contenders are given like time to prepare. Then we have our judges there at the back. So after they prepare, so they're given like around 5 minutes. Then their judges will taste sa ilahang i-prepare nga coffee. So the competition is kuan na siya sagasa sa Philippines. So last competition na sa Davao, di ba? So they invited ang lahat nga kuan mga bartender. Sorry, barista. I'm sorry. Wrong tagging. Wrong. Erase. So mga barista guys, so invited sa kaninga competition. So itong mga judges kay isa kay owner diri sa Tightrope Coffee and the other one is mga champion na siya sa kaninga contest. So we're now waiting for the others sa ilahang turn. I'll show you the place. It's just like a small place, guys. Prepare the one. So nag-prepare na sila, guys. So we have station 1, 2, and 3 para sa mga contender, and they will be given time. So right now, so nag-prepare is the contender number 10.
I hope everyone is comfortable right now. My name is Cara and I have been a barista for 4 years now. So the coffee that I have here with you is, I will be brewing it in 4 stages. So the first stage I will be blooming with 60 ml of hot water. I have a brew ratio of 1:13, and with 27 grams of coffee, I will be brewing with 380 ml of hot water, resulting into approximately 320 ml of beverage. For the first stage, as I was saying, is the blooming stage. So I saturate my grams with 60 ml of hot water, and then I let it bloom for 25 seconds. The next stage, I'm trying to extract for acidity in the cup by adding more water up to 150 ml into the brew. In the third stage later on, I will be adding 150 milliliters of water more. And this is because I really wanted to stretch out the layer of sweetness. I really wanted to stretch out the sweetness that I'm trying to extract from the coffee that I'm brewing for you. I start at 1 minute and 15 seconds. Trying to pour as gentle as I can in the middle, as I am trying to mimic the kind of water flow as it passes through the coffee grounds, so then through that I can also achieve balance in my brew. The last stage, I bring out body, but I pour as gentle as I can once again, so then I don't create any more turbulence, as this prolongs contact time with the water and the grounds. Chosen this serving vessel for you guys because I wanted to create a slightly curved serving vessel, as this brings in more aroma into the cup. Try to aerate as I pour, because apparently with aeration, some undesirable compounds found in coffee tend to evaporate faster, leaving the flavorful ones behind. So you'll find, please, as you take your first sip, you will find lemony acidity, sparkling lemony acidity, a delicate sweetness, a delicate fruity sweetness, and a tea-like body somewhat similar to black tea. So judges, apart from the evaluation, please enjoy the cup that I have served. Thanks. I can see.
Thank you.
Siguro gusto nyo malaman, siguro lang yun, gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung coffee na ginamit. So kanina we used, sa preliminary, we used the sustainable pH. That's the blend that we're promoting in Henry and Sons. And sir, please do the honor of revealing the
Coffee.
blind coffee.
And the blind coffee is a coffee that we processed last year in late 2018. It's an Itogon coffee. We used experimental processes that we have open source to the farmers. So they're now able to process from in their backyards. Small
This is it.
5 kilos.
Sustainable
This empowers farmers to be able to process their own coffee without going through traders or mills. So this process is a natural process. It was dried for more than 30 days under shade. It's also one of the sweeter coffees that we have discovered that they make. It's a mix of bourbon and typical. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. For those of you who has tried it, and hopefully hopefully we can promote Itogon coffee some more here in the Philippines. The processing method has now been shared to our friends in Davao and in Mount Apple. So this coming year they'll be using this processing method as well. So we're all looking forward to really nice coffees in the coming future. Okay.
Of course, we'd also like to invite everyone on September 20. We'll be having the Philippine National Barista Assembly. On September 20. Yes, and that's at SMX Convention Center in Cavite. So we hope we'll be able to see everyone. But definitely the winner of this competition will be able to have a sponsorship or travel allowance and accommodation for the assembly. Plus, the winner will also have a sponsorship package if ever he or she wants to join national competition. Coffee competition. So, aside from those, of course. So, sir,
You can announce it. I'll hold this.
This is it.
Going to get the bamboo edition of Comandante Grinder, and of course beautiful trophy made of from hardwood, Nara.
And a certificate, of course.
Okay. Score of 77.58. Congratulations to our champion, Miss Cara Louise.